All right, so there's two main ways you can check the voicemail on your Motorola phone. If you have visual voicemail, which most carriers now support, you can just go to the phone app, then navigate to voicemail on the bottom right, and you'll see all your voicemails listed here. But as you can see, my carrier tends to always have issues with visual voicemail. It doesn't display properly here, and there are some phones and carriers that simply don't support visual voicemail at all. So if visual voicemail doesn't work for you, what we can do is go to the keypad and press and hold number 1. That'll call your voicemail inbox, where you can listen to your voicemails, mark them for deletion, and basically control your entire voicemail through that voice-controlled menu, and you can access that anytime just by pressing and holding 1 on your keypad. Another way to check voicemail would be to look for the notification. A lot of times, when you get a new voicemail, you'll see a little cassette tape-looking notification appear up top. I'll swipe down from the top left corner to view my notifications, and I don't have any voicemail notifications right now, but if I did, I could just tap the notification and it would connect me directly to my voicemail inbox. And lastly, if pressing and holding number 1 doesn't work for some reason, you can also just manually dial your own phone number and call that. It'll connect to your voicemail inbox where you can listen to your messages. Sometimes your carrier might also have their own dedicated voicemail app available, so it's worth checking with your specific carrier to see if they offer one. Anyways, that's how you check voicemail on Motorola. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, till next time.